Hi, I'm Juju Gurgel, and I just received this WexSmart power outlet with surge protector
for evaluation, but the opinions are my own.
So here we have a user manual, and this user manual is going to let you know exactly how to operate the power outlet. Let me go ahead and show you exactly how this one looks. And this one is in a color white. The input voltage on this one is AC 100 to 200 voltage. You are also going to get 8 outlets. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you also have 4 on this back part over here. And then on this other side, you are going to have 2 USB and 1 USB-C. Now, as you can see here in the back, you do have a way that you can mount this on the wall. So if, for example, you would like to mount this right on your wall and just keep it there, or even behind the furniture, you will be able to do that as well. Now, you do have a button over here that you need to turn it on whenever you want to turn on your devices. All right, so make sure that this button is on if you want your devices on. Now, the great thing about having this button is also that whenever you want to shut off everything that this power strip is connected to, all you have to do is just turn off that button and everything turns off. So this is also a great way to save energy if maybe you have your computer and a bunch of other devices that are connected to it and you're not using them. You can just shut this off and everything turns off automatically, potentially saving you some money there. Now, as far as for the cord itself, is a pretty long cord, like that. Pretty long, you guys. I am right around 5 feet tall, and I actually have the power strip on the floor and is almost reaching up to my head. So I'm 5 feet 1, as to be exact, and as you can see, is almost all the way up to me. So I can safely say that this power cord, the cord itself, all right, it's right around 5 feet long. So that's pretty long. It does have a 3-pin plug. So you are going to need one of those outlets that allows you to have the 3-pin plug. One thing to keep in mind is that the USB ports do not allow for quick charging on this one. So if you need your phone to be charged rather quickly, this one is not gonna work for it, but it will work for slow and regular charging, okay? So let's go ahead and try on this power strip and I'll let you know exactly how it works out. Let's go. So right here is where I plan to have that power strip. The thing is, I do have already 2 things connected to the plug, but the problem is this plug right here, the USB cable, the black one, what happens every time I connect it, I can no longer push my furniture all the way back. It leaves a big gap. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install the power cord. I'm gonna place it right on the bottom of the furniture so it won't be able to be seen, but I'll be able to not only connect these 2 over here, and I will also be able to connect even more things. So let me show you how it's gonna work out. Okay, it is installed and it is on. Remember, if you want to turn everything off, you can just press this button right here. And as you can see, that light goes off. And this is how you know that the power cord is working, because that blue light turns on. And then over here, I got rid of the
big block and I just connected my USB cable straight to it. And everything is working fine. Now I just gotta push this back, this furniture back, and voila, all done. Now let's make sure my unicorn lamp works. It is on. And also, let's see if my karaoke machine works. This is the one that is using that USB cord.
Power on.
That's fantastic. And that's pretty much it for this power cord.